Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh. This is day 13 of 100 Day Challenge of I am learning English and speak. Learning English, learn English and speak English. So in the previous video, I covered some topics and then now I will cover past perfect tense in this video. So let's get start. Now daily practice sentence past perfect. वह नदी में कूद चुकी थी वह नदी में कूद चुकी थी शी हैड जम्प्ड इन रिवर उसने चाय बना ली थी शी हैड बना ली थी मेक द टी तुमने सब्जी काट ली थी यू हैड चॉप्ड द वेजिटेबल्स उसे नौकरी मिल गई थी ही गॉट अ जॉब ही हैड डॉट द जॉब ही हैड डॉट जॉब उसने दरवाज़ा बंद कर लिया था ही हैड ऑफ द डोर आप वहाँ से जा चुके थे यू हैड ग्रोन देयर यू हैड गॉन देयर हम खाना खा चुके थे वी हैड एट फूड वी हैव ईट यहाँ ईटन फूड जय ट्यू सो चुका था तो वाई हैड जय स्लेप्ट हम कब पढ़ाई कर चुके थे हम कब पढ़ाई कर चुके थे वैन हैड वी स्टडीड क्या आप हमें पढ़ा चुके थे क्या आप हमें पढ़ा चुके थे तो हैड यू टॉट अस नाउ अब दिस sentence is past perfect continuous. Now the structure of sentence is this, and the uses of since point of for point of time. Now usage of for in the sentence for use and period of time. वह कई घंटे तक खेल रहा था वह कई घंटे तक खेल रहा था he had been playing he had been playing for many hours वह बहुत देर तक गाना गा रहा था he had been singing for long time मैं सुबह 9 बजे से पढ़ाई कर रहा था सुबह 9 बजे से पढ़ाई कर रहा था I had been studying since 9 o'clock रानी 2 घंटे से खाना पका रही थी रानी 2 घंटे से खाना पका रही थी रानी हैड बीन cooking food since 2 hours. वह कई दिनों से परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहा था. वह कई दिनों से परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहा था. He had doing preparation. Sorry, he had preparing for exam for many days. वह सुबह से बगीचे में काम कर रहा था. He had been working since morning. He had been working on garden since morning. राहुल 8 बजे से किताब पढ़ रहा था. So, Rahul had been reading the book since 8 o'clock. वह यात्रा के लिए 2 हफ्ते से तैयारी कर रहा था. He had been preparing for traveling since 2 hours. तुम मेरी बात सुबह से नहीं सुन रहे थे. You had not listening to me since morning. राजेश 1 घंटे से पढ़ के नीचे क्या कर रहा था. What had Rajesh doing downside since 1 hour. हमने छुट्टी की योजना बना ली थी. हमने we had been planning. Sorry. We had planning. Sorry. हमने छुट्टी की योजना बना ली थी. We had planned. मैंने स्कूल का काम कर लिया था. I had completed my homework. उसने सब्जी काट ली थी. He had cutted vegetable. तुमने परीक्षा पास कर ली थी. You had passed the exam. So you had passed the test. हम पहले मिल चुके थे. We had met before. वे पहले पहुंच चुके थे. They had reached before. मैंने टेस्ट के लिए पढ़ाई कर ली थी. I had studied for test. उसने अपना होमवर्क पूरा नहीं किया था. He had not completed homework. क्या उसने नई कार खरीद ली थी. Had he bought a new car. उसने कमरे का पेंट कब कर लिया था. When had he painted on room. मैंने आपका 1 घंटे तक इंतज़ार किया. I had I had been waiting. I had been waiting for you since 1 hour. आप यहाँ सुबह से क्या कर रहे थे? What had you doing? What had been you doing since morning? वह 2 दिनों से शॉपिंग कर रही थी. She had been shopping. वह पिछले 15 दिनों से मुझे बुला रहा था. He had been calling me since 15 days. तुम कितने महीनों से यहाँ आ रहे थे? कितने? How many months? How much months had you coming? Had you come? किसान 2 घंटे से खेत जोत रहा है. Farmer had been farming since 2 hours. हम कुछ दिनों से इस पर चर्चा कर रहे थे. We had been whispering for some days, few days. वह सुबह से यात्रा कर रहे थे. वह सुबह से they had been traveling since morning. मैंने सुबह 8 बजे से बस का इंतज़ार कर रहा था. मैं सुबह 8 बजे से. I had been waiting for bus since 8 o'clock. हम 1 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. We had been playing football since 1 hour. Now it's time to question answer. The past perfect and past perfect continuous. Now the questions are myths of these tenses. The question answer in this type of question answer help you in the real life, help you in a practice in real life, and you had you finished your homework? Yes, I had finished my homework. Where had you gone at this time? तुम कहाँ गए थे इस समय? I had gone to school at this time. I had gone to school this time. Had they repaired your class? Yes, they had repaired my class. Had you eaten food before class? No. I had not eaten food before class because I have no time to eating. I have no time to eaten food. How had you learned English? I had learned English through shooting videos and uploading on YouTube and self-learning. How long had sir been teaching? कितने समय से सर पढ़ा रहे हैं? Sir had been teaching around 6 to 7 years. Question number 7. What had they been doing since morning? सुबह से वे क्या कर रहे थे? They had been gardening since morning. वे सुबह से गार्डन में पौधे ला रहे थे. How long had you been waiting there? I had been waiting there around 4 hours. Yes, sorry, since 4 hours. What had she been cooking for many hours? She had been non-veg. She had been cooking non-veg for many hours. What had Sir been teaching for a long time? Sir had been teaching for a long time. Now it's time to do paragraph practice. So start. बागवानी शुरू करने से पहले मैं आसपास के दुकानों से सब्जियां खरीदती थी. Before starting gardening, मैंने आसपास के दुकानों से सब्जियां खरीदी थी. I had bought vegetable. आसपास रहेंगे नियर बाय मी. मैं कुछ हफ्तों से बागवानी के बारे में पढ़ रहा था. I had been studied for. I have studied about बागवानी for some week. एक हफ्ते पहले मैंने बागवानी में बीज लगाए थे. 1 week ago I had sorry 1 week ago I had bowing seed. I had bowing seed in my garden. सब्जियां उगनी शुरू हो गई थी. Now vegetable had growed up. मैं नियमित रूप से पौधे को पानी दे रहा था. नियमित मैं नियमित रूप से पौधों को पानी दे रहा था. I had given water to plants नियमित रूप से और उनकी देखभाल कर रहा था. And take care and also take care. लेकिन 2 दिन पहले बारिश हुई. But 2 days ago, before 2 days raining and सब्जियां खराब हो गई थी. And vegetable had sorry